Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wrike API with OAuth 2.0 step by step clearly. To authenticate the Wrike API using OAuth 2.0, you need to follow several steps carefully. First, visit the Wrike developer portal and create a new application. Fill in the required details, such as the application name and description. Set the redirect URI, which is where users will be sent after authentication. After creating the application, you'll receive a client ID and client secret. Next, familiarize yourself with the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow. Construct the authorization URL using your client ID and redirect URI. Direct users to this URL to initiate the authentication process. Users will then log into their Wrike account and grant permission to your application. Once granted, the user will be redirected back to your specified redirect URI, along with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the redirect URI. Now, prepare to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Make a POST request to the Wrike token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, redirect URI, and the authorization code in your request body. Upon successful request, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely, as it allows you to access the Wrike API on behalf of the user. Remember that access tokens have a limited lifespan. When the access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token. To do this, make another POST request to the token endpoint, including your refresh token. Now you have successfully authenticated your application with the Wrike API using OAuth 2.0. You can start making API calls using the access token you received. Stay tuned for more steps on how to utilize the Wrike API effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.